Hello everyone, myself Amisha Loda. I am from Bilwada. Currently, I am pursuing BTech third year in Information Technology Department from Manikilal Verma Textile and Engineering College, Bilwada. It is affiliated by RTU Rajasthan Technical University. Along with my degree, I have completed two online courses. First is Python and second is web development from Udemy. And now I am applying these skills in my projects also. And apart from this, I have an interest in art, reading books, and my strength is I'm eager to learn new things and having a positive attitude. And my weakness is I'm very loyal to my work. I want perfection in any work. Why I choose IT branch? As we all know that it is one of the most popular branch. Those who want to deal with coding, algorithm, system analysis and web development, they can go in IT or CS branch. I have an interest in C language, C++ language and web development. That's why I thought to be a career in information technology. In this we can't just learn the theoretical things, but we can also implement our skills also. In this we can't just focus on the academic but also prepare some real world problems also. The most important skills which we have is creating thinking, problem solving, analytical thinking also. An IT professional never stop learning and must stay on the top of latest technology trends in order to be a successful on his field also. Why you have chosen this topic for training? I have chosen two topics for training. First is web development and second is Python programming language. Web development is the building and maintenance of the website. It gives the opportunity to express ourselves creatively on the internet. I have interest in software developer, that's why I have choose the web development course. Web development combines the creativity and analytical skills also. In this I have learned the basic of HTML and PHP, JavaScript, jQuery, CSS and handles freelancing projects also. In this I have learned game project by using JavaScript language. And the second one is Python. Python is an interpreted, objective-oriented, high-level programming language and dynamic semantics. It can be used in many applications like building web application, game development, machine learning, scientific and numerical computing. It is beneficial whether you want to become a data scientist, machine learning engineer, data analysis, or even a software developer. And next is what skills you have learned in training. I have learned a lot through this training program, including the basic of HTML and how the website is designed, CSS, JavaScript. In JavaScript, I have learned various concepts like front-end approach, object-oriented approach, data models, and many more. And the career opportunity in web designing is backend developer and front-end. Python we have several libraries to support a lot of other things than development, including data analysis, data visualization amongst other. Python is one of the most popular programming framework for data science across the world. It is one of the best programming language when it comes to the adaptability. In this, I have learned how to resolve problems related to data analytics and optimization data algorithm. Apart from this, I have learned other skills like time management, teamwork, creative thinking, professionalism, leadership, and many more. How this training will be going to help in future? There is no other language that could compete with Python language. It is growing at a rapid pace. Applications such as web or game are usually established with the add of Python language on. It is planning to go to a new level with artificial intelligence involvement, and now I am also doing some projects regarding these topics. It is definitely going to help me in the future. And the last, how you are planning for placement. Now I am doing some coding practice from CodeChef and HackerRank. to increase my knowledge. And now I am also learning some concept of data structure and algorithm, because nowadays it is important. Apart from this, I am also working on my communication skills. I am also doing some course subjects in IT. Thank you.